Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm a regular user of e-mobility and this is one of a number of e-scooters that I own. One of the big challenges with some of the e-scooters, particularly with pneumatic tyres, is the inaccessibility of the valves. Now there is a really simple hack, a really simple solution to be able to access the valves, particularly when you're using portable pumps or pumps that don't actually fit onto the valves because they're so close to the wheels. And this video is all about providing that solution. If you do like this sort of content, please do like, please do subscribe to the channel. Honestly, it really does help me out so much. This is the mono-rim SUV S1 and this is an e-scooter with pneumatic tyres. As you can see, the valve is really close to the wheel rim, and if you've got a portable air pump like this, there is a link in the description, you will find that you can't actually access the valve, and that's where this solution comes in. These are valve extenders. Again, there is a link in the description for this product, and they quite simply screw onto the valve and I've wound this up hand tight. And this enables you to attach your pump. I'm setting the PSI here to 55 PSI. Now these valve extenders are 27mm in length, they are 9mm in width, and they have an internal diameter of 7mm. Essentially these are Schrader valve extenders. And as simple as that, it's 55 PSI and you can remove the pump. So with this length of valve extender, there is enough clearance on this e-scooter for it to remain on, and you can see there's just enough room for the wheel to keep spinning. Now, I had no awareness that this product existed before I had an e-scooter with this challenge around accessing the valve. So there is a link in the description to these valve extenders, but what a simple solution to a real e-scooter challenge. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do like, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.